Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I will be showing you how you can share an application to your friends so they can download it in the app store on the app store, sorry. And to do that, I'm just going to select I'm going to select an application. I'm going to select Discord, and there is a share button next to the open button, so I'm just going to select that. And you can send it through like WhatsApp, Twitter, or you can even just copy the link and then later you can paste it to like messages, and yeah, and then they can download the app from there. But that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.